Hello, advanced math learners. This is Mr. Frasia, and I'm here with a Module 6 overview for your 6th grade advanced class. So, first of all, I'm going to take you to the 6th grade advanced webpage, like we normally log in. There we go. And then I'm going to go to lessons. And as normal, I go to Module 6, it's expressions. So I look at the checklist because I want to make sure I know what I'm doing per segment. Hey, look, okay. So I know how much time I should be spending and pay attention to the point values because that tells me the things that are more important. There's an equivalent expressions that seems to be a little bit more important than everything else, as well as, yep, a mid-module check. We get a practice. Doesn't look like we have a review practice, so we don't have to worry about anything being in the lesson. Then we have 3 parts of the test, or 2 parts of the test. We just have a Module 6 test and an advanced piece. All right, so as normal, I'm going to go to the very last section so I can go ahead and there's my practice test. No caution cone, which means there's nothing there, but there are 6 lessons and 2 advanced lessons. So I'm going to print out or copy down these notes again because there's a ton of vocabulary. This is where it gets tough because these things are really important, and if you're having problems with the vocab, you need to reach out and ask. This piece is critical. So we got terms, factors, coefficients, constants. Variable, term, factor, like there's a ton of vocabulary in Module 6, and it gets very vocab intensive. So it's always good. It's like learning the pieces of an animal or the pieces of the human body. Now we're learning pieces of math. So you should know what a coefficient is, what is a base, what is an exponent, what is a constant, what is a variable, what is an expression, what is an equation. And then they go over properties of algebra, like commutative, associative, identity, distributive, okay? So these are pieces that you're going to want to print out so that you can understand what you're looking at. I will tell you that most of these are named for what they do. Community, everybody's in a different order. Associative means everybody's in different groups. So it's understanding how we use each one of those properties and rules that we're learning. And of course, we talked about in the advanced piece, rewriting expression, what is combining like terms, what is a like term, and then of course, PEMDAS, that's always our good friend, and then rational and irrational. Negative times a negative is a positive. So we go over all those rules again and how to distribute, and we do distribution with fractions. But this is nothing more than what you did before, except with harder numbers. All right? So I print out those pieces, and let's see, I'm going to go to the next page. And as usual, tells me there's a practice test. There is not a assessment, there is not a review practice test in the lesson here, so we don't have to worry about missing that one. All right, I'm going to show you something else as well. Up here where it says tools. Hey, look, they have graph paper that you can download and use, and they have number lines. So you can click on those and pull those things down and use them. Hey, what's this video button? Oh, there's other videos on how to do things. These are videos that were also in your lesson. So understanding that there are several different ways in which you're able to see this material is really important. This is just a library of all the things that you've done. So you're able to look at these and go, oh, maybe I didn't understand math terms. I can go here and watch a video on it. All right, now we're going to go back. All right, so to conclude with Module 6, It's just making sure that we are paying attention to the vocabulary and the parts of an expression and how those are detailed and talked about. All right, good luck and please take your time and ask any questions if you have any. All right, thank you very much. You only have 3 modules left, 6, 7, and then 8, and then you are finished.